in the market. We're available in the modern trade stores, the open air market. Our operations are obviously, we all understand the infrastructure challenges in Nigeria of manufacturing. When the opportunity came up to establish a factory in Alara City with all the incentives and the infrastructure already provided for our business, I thought it was a no-brainer to move our facility to Alara City. And I think our endeavor has done a phenomenal job in trying to help manufacturers reduce costs, focus on what they're supposed to be doing, which is producing and not building their own infrastructure. It's a major plus for manufacturers. And of course, operating in a free zone has this tremendous incentives, which is the tax benefits, the importation duty that we don't have to pay, and all the other incentives that we get. So it's a win-win for Captain and Rendeavor to be able to get manufacturing companies to move their operations to Alara.